Did you know that 6 months after Hurricane Helene hit North Carolina, thousands of families are still living in camping tents through the freezing winter? While FEMA officials posed for cameras and gave speeches about recovery, entire communities were left behind. Families with young children huddle in tents with no heat, no running water, and no hope of real help coming soon. The government promised swift action but delivered endless paperwork and excuses instead. These people lost everything, and their own country abandoned them when they needed help most.